Hello everybody, it's the Izzy Master Games. What? I have no idea what I just said. It's Izzy Master Games here today, and I'm gonna be playing Agario, obviously. One second. Never mind, it's whatever. Okay. What should my name be? Let's see. Yeah, that works. Pretty much no one. Fluffy. Yeah. Oh, doge. That's racist. No. That's racist. Poker face. Hi, poker face. Can't read mine. No, he can't read my poker face. There's literally no one on the server, but I don't care. Hey. Oh, you can't eat me. Oh! That's what he said. Haha. Dang. Now I can probably... hate you. Yeah. Woohoo! Todd. Come. Someone come. No one come. Someone come to me. Thank you. No, come here. Fluffy! You helped me last time, Fluffy. Fluffy, take it. No, I hate you. Yay. Yeah! I hate you, poker face. Poker face, no. Poker face, go home. You scary AF. Drew, come here. Come here, Drew. Something that you never see. Yeah, I ate someone. Now I have a song stuck in my head. You guys obviously know. It's work. Say my no. Yay! OMG. Good lord. OMG. Obviously. I'm not either. I am number 39. God dang it. I'm only playing like 15 minutes of this, so 15 to 20. Don't eat me, hey ass mofo. Fluffy! I just spat all over the screen. Good thing you guys can't see. You can't eat me. That's what he said. Oh. I'm concentrating way too hard. I don't need to concentrate this hard. I'm number 44. I friggin' hate you. Rocker. You are big. I don't want to eat you. I never want to give you up. Never gonna let you down. Tea? Tarzan? Food? You are food. Come on. Haha, you can't eat me. I'm bigger than you, technically. Awesome. Haha, Thanks. Ooh. Doge. Young. I hate you. Hate him. Hate him. Hate him. Hate him. Hate him. Hi, Egg. Oh, you're too big for me to eat. Feed equals team. Yeah, no thanks. I don't want to be in a team. You guys suck, dong. Dong. You suck, dong. Well, this is getting kinda... I've only been playing for 5 minutes. Back. Ooh, skins. I should get skins. I'm sorry, guys. I need to get a skin. I got 450? I got 455. Nah. I can buy banana. I can buy banana. I can buy banana. I can buy Okay, I only own 2. I only own 2. I'm buying banana. Okay. Gus. Gay, get down. Bro. yeah. Cat. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I was playing with my cat. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Gay. Don't even try, stupid. Hey! Hi, TNT. This sucks. I'm sucking so hard. Sucking too hard on a lollipop. Hi! I got cheese! I don't like cheese. Bubble! Hate you. Okay, wait. Don't you freaking dare! Stupid cat. Unicorn. Okay. No! Unicorn. Stop it! Stupid. Oh, fudge. Hey, feed me. Ooh. I want to go to Disneyland. Woohoo! I'm just kidding. I burped. Okay, I'm playing less of this than I thought. I have different games on here. No, never mind, I don't. I have different games. Okay. I'm gonna play a little bit of Chicken Toss just because I'm bored of Agario already, so yeah. Chicken Toss. Doo-doo. You're so stupid, cat. I swear. Yeah. Off, French. Get your tail. He attacks his tail like it's no big deal. He just fell off a box. I wish you guys could see this. Stop it. Yeah, there's a wall. You didn't know that, did you? I don't think anyone's really played this. So, I need 14,000. He's like, you stupid. I'm like, no, I'm not. He's like, no, what's 9 plus 10? I'm like, 19. He's like, okay, you ain't stupid. I'm like, I told you so. I'm just bored, so I'm making things up. Ow. Don't you dare start! Okay. Fire burning cauldron! That hurt my throat so bad. Yes, I'm putting my phone on the ground, but it's really loud, so. This is only 13 minutes long, so I can stop this. But you guys, I'm gonna play There Is No Game in the next episode, which I'm gonna do in a second. I'm gonna record it in a second, but I'm gonna be laying down so I'm comfortable. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video, which is only, well, actually, I won't see you because you guys can't see me. But I shall see you soon. Bye.